Hey, it's Justin from Top Notch Finishing here, and today I'm just going to be showing you my Fireplace mantle drawer. This absolutely blew up recently on TikTok and Instagram, and one of the most common questions I always asked was, why do you not have a docking drawer? So I reached out and came up with this. So we got dual plug, 4 USBs, and there's a USB-C, which can charge like iPads and stuff like that. Grill that goes on it once it's mounted in here. So all I need to do is I'm going to drill and jigsaw this out with their template that's provided. And then I'm going to be mounting this inside to my back wall. And as the drawer closes, it just goes like this. It's absolutely genius. It won't get caught up on anything. I'm going to run this down to my electric fireplace. So it's already existing. This is a very, very simple install. Very excited to get going with this. So just follow along and I'll show you how easy it is.